What to do with existing window shades if you want a smart home but hate wasting materials. You've likely imagined the comfort of saying a single phrase and watching your shades glide open. This vision feels futuristic and efficient, yet discarding functional shades seems wasteful. Many face frustration over the need to upgrade versus waste concerns. Homeowners increasingly choose smart solutions integrating old fixtures with new tech, enhancing homes without replacement. Before considering ripping out your shades, identify exactly what you own. Different types, like roller and Roman shades, vary in suitability for smart upgrades. Some, like roller shades, retrofit easily, while others need more effort or replacement. Upgrading your home can mean simple updates, not full renovations or starting completely from scratch. Retrofit kits transform existing shades into voice-activated systems, integrating with smart tech to manage light easily. While not perfect due to bulk and adaptation challenges, this approach maintains convenience and cost-effectiveness while minimizing waste. Some window shades don't fit retrofit kits, but they can still be reused or repurposed creatively. Fabrics can be repurposed into storage liners, partitions, or draft blockers. If the shades are in good condition, they can be donated to reuse centers or shelters. This reduces waste, benefits others, and allows smart home upgrades without landfill guilt. There are moments when holding on to old shades simply isn't worth the struggle. If shades are damaged or cords pose risks, replacement is ideal. Poorly fitted shades waste energy, letting heat escape in winter or adding strain on AC in summer. New shades restore function and safety. Opt for sustainable options like recycled fabrics or modular systems, and consider upgrade-ready designs for future flexibility. Smart home technology allows for eco-friendly upgrades that improve efficiency, comfort, and long-term sustainability. Convenience trends suggest replacement is necessary, but refurbishing, reusing materials, or donating preserves resources, reduces expenses.
Go to GearBrain for more information.